Hey guys, this is part 2. Ayusin natin yung buhok natin. Sorry about my big back forehead. By the way, as a third step na tayo. Ito yung gamit ko guys. Itong Ice Age Ice Aloe Moisturizing Soothing Gel. Open na natin siya guys. Yan. Kunin na natin. Clear siya guys. By the way, pwede pala tong dalawa gamitin sa skin. I mean, like sa body. Eh di maglalagay tayo. Tapos na tayo dito, so dito na tayo. By the way, ito yung ginawa kong squishy. Next part is makeup. Bye-bye. Marian out.